Okay, so I just got an iPad here for the house. My kid is going to be utilizing it more than me, potential this one. And I got this case here from OTTERBOX. And what we're going to do is that we're going to open this up and put it on the new iPad, right? Obviously, we want to make sure that it's protected. We want to make sure that it doesn't break. And this thing is fantastic. OTTERBOX is known for being such a fantastic company. So it says OTTERBOX or Otter right here for kids, easy grab tablet case. And again, it's drop tested. It's hand-free, and it actually right here, if you see that here, or this right here, it actually connects to the backrest of a vehicle, right? So again, just new iPad, new case. We want to make sure that the iPod is protected. You can see the back right here. It says durable construction, withstand drops and fails. Raised edges protecting the camera screen. I kind of like that because when it's raised up, we're gonna see it. It's gonna protect the screen, right? So again, really, really cool. I want you guys to see that right there as well, just so you guys have an idea. You see this right here, how it connects to the back of a vehicle or something like that. Again, very, very cool. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, I literally destroyed this. So I could have done it a better way, but I don't have anything to cut it right now. You have some paperwork right here. We're gonna put this out of the way, and this is kind of what you're gonna have right here. Now they do have different colors. They I think it was about 3 different colors. He picked this one himself, and again, I like it. It's kind of like a light blue. Obviously has all the connectors or all the controllers right there, as you can see. And again, this thing is really, really cool. And then you have your portion right here. So let's put the iPad in here. And I'm assuming this is just like my iPhone. Usually you take this plastic out and then you could, yeah, it should be just like the iPhone out of box that I have. All right, so this is coming out right here. And then if you notice, this could be break apart, right? And I'm breaking it apart right here, right? Just like a regular phone. Really didn't took too much to figure it out. So now we're gonna put the iPad, and I want you guys to see that there is a little rubbers right here, which obviously is gonna protect the back of the iPad. So we're gonna put the iPad right there, fits really well. Then we're gonna put this back in here, snap it all around just like that. And then obviously we're gonna put this rubber back in there, right? I mean, this kind of feels like the OtterBox that I have in my cell phone, and that OtterBox Defender is just so fantastic, right? It's really, really is good. Okay, here I got it, and I'm gonna tell you it fits just really amazing. I want you guys to see this. It fits really, really good. When you put it on, make sure, really make sure that all the edges get really well. The rubber goes in the right spot. But again, wow, it feels like really protected. And like you can see, this thing right here is a little bit raised. So by being raised, it does protect the screen. I really, really like it. Let's put this in here. And here it has the handle right there. This handle is pretty cool because it's kind of like it moves around. So you could just put it like this. And as you can see, it works just there, right? And obviously, this is what's going to be hang on the back of the headrest of the car, right? And it looks like it has some flexibility. You can move it around as well. So again, very cool, very cool. I mean, that's all it is for the case. Obviously, you kind of have a handle here as well that you kind of hold like this. But it seems like a pretty cool case. And really, OtterBox is just a fantastic company. They're being around for a long time, and they do provide great protection to cell phones, iPads, and all of that. So there you have it.